Hi friends, welcome to Telangana Properties Hub. Today we are going to see a new venture called BB Nagar, which is very close to Warangal Highway. So we are just moving on this Warangal Highway. You can just have a look at that. So this is the Warangal Highway which we are going. So which is close to this Warangal Highway. And once we come close to the toll plaza, we can reach to our location very quickly. So we are just heading towards the toll plaza, and you can just see that is toll plaza. So once we reach the toll plaza, from there we can go to BB Nagar. This is the toll. So from this we just need to take little left, and this is the straight road which will take us to the location very quickly. So like about 5 to 10 minutes you can say. And this BB Nagar is very close to Guduru, so it's near Guduru village we can say. So this is a brand new venture, BB Nagar venture, which is under construction, which is going on. And you can just have a look at this beautiful new venture, and you can see the well planned sites and plots. All the partitions have been done, and the blacktop roads have been approved, and good plantations have been done. So you can just see this. This is the overall view of the plot. So this is an HMDA layout, and 80% of the bank loan will be given to you, and all 100 feet blacktop roads have been approved also, and 40 feet internal roads have been approved for this. So the starting plot area will be from 160 square yard onwards, and it will go up to 237 square yards. So you can purchase these lands in between these limits, but the starting will be 160 square yards onwards. So this is how it looks, the overall view. You can see the Guduru village also. Some of the houses are visible from this place. You can just have a look. The zoom, we have zoomed in. Just see the houses there. And all the water pipe connections, that is tap connection for each plot, has also been given. You can see that tap connections. Yes, this is a tap connection. The drainage system has also been there. So this is how it looks, and all the electricity facilities, street lights have also been approved. So this is the plot. This is the whole venture. You can just have a look at this. So this is the full site of BB Nagar. So this is how it looks. So this is about the venture, and we also have a spot registrations also, and with good vastu, and this is very close to outer ring road and regional ring road. So we all are aware of outer ring road and regional ring road. So this place is very close to the outer ring road. So you can just imagine it's a very good deal and a very good investment also, because in coming future the prices may go up, as it is located close to regional ring road and outer ring road. Because we see that many developments are being taken place near to these places, like Warangal Highway, like Yadagiri Gutta, Gatkesar, and so on. So we can expect a lot of development in near future in this place. So it's a good idea to invest in this plots, because within a span of time you can get a good returns on these plots. So this is the whole plot as you are seeing, and this is also very close to the proposed MMTS. So we also have a MMTS facility very close to this place, and many projects will also be launched in the coming future. So you can expect a good returns on this project. So if you invest on this project also, you can happily be safe, or you will be on the safer side, because definitely 100% you will get good returns on this plot. So this is about the whole plot, and this plot is an HMDA layout, as I have said before, very close to Toll Plaza, which is on Warangal Highway. If we take the Warangal Highway, we can easily quickly reach to this place, and as I said in the beginning, this will be close to Guduru village, just a little away from Guduru village, I can say. So this is all about this new project. It's a good venture, good idea, ideal project, I can say, and lot of developments are taking place on this project. Thank you for watching Telangana Properties Hub. For more information, you can call us on the below given number anytime. And thank you for your time. Have a nice day. Bye bye.